What if you could influence someone's behavior with a few simple psychological tricks? Stay tuned because today I'll be sharing 10 powerful psychological hacks that will completely change the way you see the world. Namaskar and welcome to Voice with Akshata. I'm your host Akshata and I am a final year psychology student, and today I'll be sharing 10 psychological hacks that everyone should know. So, whether you're looking to improve your relationships, boost confidence, or have more meaningful social connections, this video is for you. Number one, the Benjamin Franklin effect. When you ask someone for a favor, they'll often like you more afterwards. Helping others creates a sense of connection, and people justify their kindness by thinking they must like you. So, for example, if you want to build rapport with your colleague, ask them for a simple favor like borrowing a pen, and you'll be surprised how much they'll warm onto you later. Number two, the door in the face technique. Start by asking a large, unreasonable favor and then follow it up with a small, reasonable one. It works because after being refused for the large, unreasonable request, the more reasonable one looks more acceptable. So, for example, if you are asking for a discount, start by asking for a 50% discount, then ask for a 20% discount, which is more likely to be granted. Number three, the ZEIGARNIK effect. People tend to remember the incomplete task more than the complete task. And this happens because our brains are wired to seek closure. So we keep thinking about the unfinished tasks. So, for example, in marketing or social media, you can leave an incomplete post which will make people crave more. Leave a cliffhanger, it works like crazy. Number four, the prolong eye contact trick. Holding an eye contact for 4 to 5 seconds establishes trust and intimacy, and it signals confidence. So, for example, if in a conversation, maintain eye contact for the other person to feel understood and valued. Just don't stare for too long, or it will make the other person feel uncomfortable and signal creepy behavior. Number five, the compliment sandwich. If you want to give criticism or negative feedback to someone, stack it up between two positive statements. The positive statement softens the blow and make the other person more receptive to that criticism. So, for example, if you need to tell your friend they did something wrong, instead of saying that directly, say something like, I loved how you handled that situation. I bred a positive statement. Then our masala between it will be that criticism, which will be, but try to be a bit more organized next time. And our next positive statement, which is another bread loaf, which will be, um, overall, you're doing great. So it will go something like, I loved how you handled that situation. Try to be a bit more organized next time. And overall, you're doing great. That is your sandwich. Take. Number six, our Pygmalion effect. Expect the best from someone, and they'll often rise up to meet that expectation. People tend to perform better when they think that others have a high expectation from them. So, for example, if you are a leader or a mentor, telling them that you believe in their potential can motivate them to perform even better. Number seven, the power of silence. Silence can cause discomfort and force people to fill it up with more information. Humans have a natural tendency to avoid awkward silences, so they often keep, guess what, talking. So, for example, during negotiation, remain silent after someone gives a response. It will prompt them to clarify or give a better offer. Number 8, offer two choices. Instead of offering a simple yes or a no question, give two choices that lead to the same outcome. Giving options make people feel like they are in control, which makes the likelihood of them saying yes increase. So, for example, instead of asking someone, would you help me with this? Ask, would you like to do this right now or later? Number 9, the high five effect. Physical gestures like high five or pats on the back releases endorphins, which increases positivity. Physical touch can create a sense of connection and boost mood. So, for example, after a successful event or a meeting, give a quick high five to boost the mood and foster teamwork. Number 10, the recency effect. People are more likely to remember the first and the last thing you say or do. Our brains give more importance to the beginning and the end of experiences. So, for example, while giving a presentation, make sure to give your key points in the very beginning and in the very end. So, for example, while giving a presentation, make sure to give your key point in the very beginning and in the very end of the presentation to make sure it is remembered. So, thank you so much for watching this video. These were the 10 psychological hacks which were very powerful, which I believe everyone should know. So, if it helped you in any way, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and comment which one was your favorite. And this was my second video. If you have any feedback, I am open to criticism. You can give it through sandwich effect. I will appreciate it. And thank you again for watching. I hope you'll see me again, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye 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 bye.